Look, man, I'm already fast sleeping.
Oh, I'm sorry, that whizzed past my fucking head.
Right side. Fuck's sake. Why is it the last game of the day it decides to be a bastard? Shit. Yeah, 3 teams, do not fucking die. Alright, we gotta dunk on them. Yeah. My fucking boss has been a piece of shit. Good, Dad, get off the field!
Hello. Oh, tagged as well.
Where'd you get done from?
This cover here is dead and I'm dead too, but gotta tell you something.
Yeah.
It's getting low. You know?
How's it looking, guys?
No one shoot.
Not much.
I think they're pushing right around, but for no reason, because there's no one down there.
They're flanking down left, are they?
Yeah.
Well, keep an eye on them. In the swamp, in the swamp!
Oh, in the tower. Someone's in the tower. Is there anyone else?
Got one under the tower too, in the swamp. The other team's flanking down the back left. We still got some in the swamp in the tower though. Left side, left side! So shit. Cover me? I can try, this thing's literally like 1 in every 50. Got one in the swamp, one in the tower. Wait, swamp where? Ian, you got eyes? Tower. Don't know where the other one's gone. I see one in the battery at the swamp. Oh yeah, behind the white barricade in the swamp. Enemies, west side.
Record on this.
I'm going to rush right. I'm going to duck with your head, Johnny. Whoa! Christ, man. You can understand how lucky you are. I'm running out.
The person sitting on the ground playing.
He's dead. He's down. He's down. He's down.
I don't have to shoot him for no reason.
Right side, incoming. Enemies.
Alex.
Alex, moving right. Alex, moving right. Got one with him.
Sniper.
Very thankful for that shield.
Yeah, got him.
Sniper down.
Right side. Got him. Nice. Eventually. How's it looking left side? Alex, left of the car, one on the car. Alex, left side of left barricade. Car heads left. Car's behind the tinfoil sheet near the comm shack. Alex, barricade left here.
Yeah, Alex.
I'm out thing, man. You get out.
Did
I'm
I
out.
get any of you from the sniper tower, or was I just taking one shot?
Oh, him.
Oh, what?
Who was that? Yeah. Who was that? This side. Shit! Shit.
I'll scare myself from the pain.
Oh.
That it?
I think that's it.
Come on, hiding over the back right. Stuff done. Cakewalk. You can tell it was really easy. Anyone left to be dunked on? Nobody? Any takers? Going once, going twice! And that concludes Sydney Nerf's first game of Battle Royale. Okay. How many did you were fucking over here? Huh? There's you, Ian, Trent. Yeah, we clean swept that whole fucking top. We clean swept the downside. If you had kept going, you probably would have fucked it. Yeah. We only had like one or two up there. And your things going on.
I think it would be funny.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I was watching you so
every fucking second shot. I was having to clear the jam, get a shot. Manuel will have a fucking sick hit of that because I'm sitting there, yanking a shot, taking one shot, ripping the mag out, clearing the jam, pulling the mag back in. Oh. Alright, where the fuck am I?